Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to generate a pending job order report in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Production module, open Reports Queries, then select Production Finished Goods Reports and open the Pending Job Orders report. Click on Configuration to create a new report setup and assign a suitable report configuration name. Under the Print Options section, the Total Options section allows to include various types of totals in the pending job order report. The Transaction Options section allows to select transaction types and corresponding totals to be included in the pending job order report. The Other Options section allows users to refine how data is displayed, grouped, and processed within the pending job order report. The Report Order drop-down allows you to define the sequence in which report details will appear. The Report Consolidation drop-down allows consolidation of records based on given criteria. Report Sorting enables sorting of data using available references. The CF1 drop-down is used to group pending job orders by a primary category. CF2 is used to further subclassify job orders for more detailed sorting and reporting. Weight and drop-down allows the user to specify the measurement unit used for displaying and calculating job order weight in the report. The Job Order Type drop-down allows users to filter pending job orders according to the given specified type. The Print Barcode from drop-down allows users to choose the source format for the barcode printing. The Column As drop-down allows you to select how the column field will be displayed in the report. The Job Order Start Date drop-down enables you to select how the job order start date should be considered in the report. PL for Base Rate enables you to select the applicable price list to be used as the base rate for calculation and reporting. Barcode Path allows you to define the file path used when barcodes are generated or printed. The Approval Status drop-down enables filtering of records based on their approval status, such as approved, unapproved, or all records. Furthermore, the checkboxes on the right side of the configuration interface allow them to refine and customize the report output according to their specific needs. Once all the settings are configured, save the configuration. The report setup has now been successfully created. Finally, click Create to generate the report. The generated report will display all available columns. To customize them, open the Setup Column Attributes option. First unselect all columns, and then select only those you want to include in the report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys accordingly. Save the changes and refresh the report by pressing the F2 key. As you can see, the updated data has been reflected in the report. This report displays all active job orders with item, size, rate, and quantity details, highlighting issued, pending, and cancelled quantities to help track production status and monitor pending work effectively.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.